Hello guys and welcome to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and the correct prompt to create an effective ad post for a new product. So today we're going to be talking about this, and our product is going to be like shampoo, for example. Now, I'm going to be using my favorite website. I use it all the time, pr.tools. If you want to check it out, click in the link in the description. They have every kind of prompt you could really imagine of, if it's finance, if it's design, if it's keywords, if you're trying to do some kind of writing, SEO, so forth, so on, they're going to have it. And it's free to use. Just sign up with your email, create a password for that. You can even take some of these prompts and keep them in your favorites, and doing that way you can kind of keep them and just jump to it, and it does it automatically, so that way you don't have to research and find them later on. So it's pretty cool for that. And it even allows you to copy the prompt just by one click, and then it opens up ChatGPT for you, and all you have to do is just paste it. So very, very easy. So be sure to check that out. Let us know what you think of the video. And while you're down there, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon and stay up to date with this. All right, so using PR.tools, I'm going to go to the search bar, and because it's Facebook specific, I'm just going to write Facebook. And here you can kind of see Facebook ads, copies generators, Instagram, right? Effective Facebook ads text for advertisement. I'm going to click on that one. And you can kind of see that here it's in Spanish, and see, and that's okay. That's not a problem. It's just kind of giving you that right here. So describe your product or services clearly. So it is a shampoo for uh, for colored hair, for colored hair. And then I can just copy and open this. Oh, all right. And let's see. I have a little problem here. All right. So internet got disconnected, but now I can just go here. So I'm going to click on the new ChatGPT 4. I like it better. Plus, it's a little bit more up to date. Now I'm going to paste. Now, of course, this is in Spanish. Now, not to worry, it's not a problem. It just does this in Spanish for you. And but if you want to see what it says, we can translate it in just a moment. I'll show you how to do that. But the whole idea is to have it, uh, well, to produce the content. Now, let's see. Here it's giving you this, and we'll just wait for a second, and I'll show you how to actually translate that. It'll be a lot easier. Now, the thing here, some of them are in different languages, but using ChatGPT to rewrite this in English, it's easy. Let's see, rewrite in English language, and you can do it any language you want. Here we go. And now it's doing it for you in English. So it's not that big of a deal. And you can even change it to show up for you in English anyways, in the settings on the side, off to the right side. And you can see here's the table of copy ads for Facebook, right? So we have the copies without emojis, and here's some with emojis. So depending on what you want to do. So to revive the color of your hair with specialized shampoo, protect your investment in dye with our unique formula, right? And shine. And you can do all of this, and you can choose each one. And it even has how to buy now, discover, try now, get, acquire. And you can add more information, of course, for that. And so, of course, the more information you give it, a shampoo. Now, this was for colored hair. You can be more specific in this, and it's going to write all of this. And we could even just say more information and see what it can provide for us more. Certainly will provide more calls to action in English, right? So this works, and it gives us more of those, and we can continue doing this as much as we need, or we can say rewrite, give more detail, the same. So I'm going to click copy, rewrite up a little bit here, rewrite, and give more detail in this text. And just like that. And you can see, you can kind of work with this, and there you go. Maintain the rich luminosity and lasting vibrancy of your color-treated hair with our specialized formula. You can see, so we can do that, and we can do the whole thing if we want. based on this, but it gives you an idea, it gives you a standing point. Really, I think that you can just use just the prompt itself. But if it's not what you're looking for, be sure to play with it to fit you because not everything is going to be the same. All right, guys, let us know how you like this in the video, and I will see you again next time for more ways to save money and save time.